issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Clackamas County in northwestern Oregon, south central Multnomah County in northwestern Oregon, south central Clark County in southwestern Washington until 4:30 p.m. At 4:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Jennings Lodge, or near Oregon City, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Oregon City, Portland, Vancouver, Gresham, Lake Oswego, West Lynn, Milwaukee, Camas, Troutdale, Gladstone, Maywood Park, Oakfield, Powell, Centennial, Hazelwood, Boring, Jennings Lodge, Mill Plain, Clackamas, Happy Valley, and Damascus. In Washington, this includes State Route 14 between mile markers 8 and 13. This includes the following highways in Oregon: Interstate 205 between mile markers 5 and 23 and near mile marker 25. Interstate 84 between mile markers 5 and 17. U.S. Highway 26 east of Portland between mile markers 4 and 20. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
On the upside, if he was up to no good, he would